All right, week 3, economics instructions and checklist. Just like the previous 2 weeks, make sure that we're logging in each day to Schoology and complete the attendance requirement. Sometimes that's going to be just I'm here in class today. Other times you're going to have something to do or to complete or to answer. Just make sure that you are again logging in to Schoology, and it's going to be in that pink folder. So the week 3 distance learning attendance. Make sure we're doing that each day. Number 2, watch content videos posted in the green notes, readings notes, content video folder. The videos in the green folder are going to be kind of the introduction to what we're doing here in the next module. We're getting into economic systems, capitalism versus more command economies like socialism. We're going to start with a discussion on wealth inequality. So in your readings, notes, and content videos, you're going to have two videos, and these are also going to be located in assignment number 1. So assignment number 1 is wealth inequality in America, so the videos are there as well. It says watch these 2 videos below, and in the discussion forum, discuss your reaction. I just want you to watch them watch both of them. They're relatively short. After you watch them, I want you to post your reaction. Anything that surprised you, something that stood out, did you find yourself agreeing with one or the other? They're going to be coming from different perspectives. One is going to be more wealth inequality, income inequality is a problem, is an issue, and this is why income inequality is okay, why it's good. So after watching these, this is just an introduction. Just post your responses in the discussion forum. So you come down here, write a comment, your reaction, and be detailed in your reaction if you could. And after you have posted, that will allow you to be able to see the posts and the comments of your classmates. And then I ask that you respond with a comment or maybe pose an additional question, try to have an online discussion. Remember etiquette, be polite and respectful in our posts, but respond with a comment or pose a question to a minimum of 3 of your classmates' posts. You won't be able to see anybody else's posts until you initially post your first one here. So that's assignment number 1. All right, so complete module 3, assignment number 1 by posting your response in the discussion forum. And this will be something that you can kind of do throughout the week. That's what we're going to be doing first, is introducing this. Number 4, remember last week we started the supply and demand case study. This is going to be the big assignment due this week. That's due on Wednesday. We'll talk a little bit about that on Tuesday, right, with our face-to-face meeting. But if you have any questions on this case study, again, that's due Wednesday. Tuesday we're going to do a Google video conference. Not going to be Wednesday this week. We're going to move it up to Tuesday, so 10:15 to 11. And then finally, it's the week 3, assignment 3, does income inequality impair the American dream? So this is going to be kind of a week-long assignment. Look at assignment 3 here. And I'll have some instructions in there too. Make a little video clip maybe. It says we all want the same things in life. We want freedom, opportunity. We want a chance for prosperity, absence of suffering for a family, healthy kids and who grow up in a safe place and have the same opportunity for prosperity. That's kind of the idea of the American dream. We just have different perspectives and arguments on what's the best way to achieve that. So what I'm going to have you do right this week, again, we're exploring this idea of income inequality. Okay? I want you to go out and research and find some sources and do some reading on this concept of income inequality in the United States. So conduct some research on arguments surrounding income inequality in the United States. One, where it's not necessarily a bad thing, right? That it's a natural process, and this income inequality has some merit in that it's based in hard work and pursuit of opportunity. On the other inequality is a problem that impairs this American dream we're talking about. You're going to find evidence on both sides. What I want you to do, right, is go and find these sources and research, do some reading. You have all week to do this. Go out and include a summary, quick summary of the article, okay, or a summary of the argument that you found, and then a link to that source. So quickly put the argument here, type it out, and this will, right, increase and grow as you add words to it. And then cut and paste a link and put that in here so I can easily find that source. We'll talk more about this on Tuesday as well. That is the week, right? We're getting into income inequality a little bit this week. So if you have questions, let me know.